Hello there, YouTube. It's me again, TJ. But yeah, I'm here to show you another move. You may have seen this move before, but the name of it is called the Ice Pick Spin. Oops, sorry, I gotta use the mount. Okay, so here's what the move looks like. Yeah, I just do that just for my personal sake. But yeah, that's what the move looks like. Here it is again. So yeah, now here's the breakdown of the move. Sorry. So what you want to do is you want to hold it. You want to hold it right here with the second one. Second prong right there, second hole, whatever you want to call it. What you want to do is that you want to flip it out. Sorry. But yeah, just flip it out. Then what you want to do is you want to flip it over while it's still holding the second hole. Then you flip it up. And if you get really lucky, the latch will lock in, and you don't have to, flip it up. Yeah, that gets annoying sometimes. But yeah, that was breakdown. So flip out, flip forward, then flip it up. So yeah. You can watch my first video on my channel. So yeah, leave a like below, put any type of comment you want, subscribe to me please. But yeah, I'll see you all next time.